What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're all looking for the right meme coin. And not only the right meme coin, saying that ones that we're going to get into are going to absolutely blast off and be worth a ridiculous amount. Obviously, we would all love those. But we're looking for ones that we can, definitely profit off in the short term and also see potentially blow up as they make different adjustments, as they get launched on different exchanges, as they have different things that are happening. We're all looking for those, right? And this is why I'm bringing so many other projects to the table, is because there are also other opportunities that you can really get started with. Now, are you taking a risk with any investment that you get into? Yes, you are taking a risk with any investment that you do decide to purchase. But a lot of these pre-sales and projects that are just getting started are giving you the opportunity to make a lot short term so that you can fund your long-term strategy for that same position. And I wanted to talk about another play that came across my desk that I think will be a popular meme coin that we can maybe put into our portfolios depending on what you see within it. And maybe you want to wait until after it truly launches, or you want to wait until the pre-sale, or you want to get excited now. That's your choice to do. But let's go ahead and talk about Yoshi in this video. If you haven't heard of this, right, first of all, you've heard of Yoshi, but if you haven't heard of Yoshi token, it is something that has been catching a little bit of popularity. We could see it on Twitter. We can see some people that are talking about it recently. And I wanted to go through the website and what they do offer. Remember, it's a meme coin. It's not anything that offers utility as of right now. However, you never know what they could introduce later down the line. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for Yoshi, I will provide the links to the website, to the Twitter account, and everything else that you need to know about. So, if we look into this website, again, meme coins are super popular. You know that the meme coin market is worth multiple tens of billions of dollars right now. It's no scrub market to where it's like, oh, you know what? It's only worth $1 million or $10 million. No, these positions within this sector are worth billions, tens of billions of dollars, and see tens of billions of dollars of volume. Like, it's so much that goes into this space that anybody wants to be a part of it. I want to be a part of it in the most places that I can. But if we look at Yoshi, right? Yoshi meme coin better than other meme coin. Prepare for the ultimate adventure in the most thrilling and rewarding meme token pre-sale base chain has ever witnessed. Yoshi excited to start. This is a base project, which also has been catching fire, right? You see Brett, which I believe is a base project. You see, I've talked about Machi before. There's different base projects that honestly are starting to catch a lot of fire compared to even some of the Solana projects that are being put out there. So this is definitely the chain that's going to start taking off in the future. So Yoshi pre-sale launching soon in 2 days, 17 hours, and 31 minutes. So make sure you guys, bookmark whatever you need to bookmark. Make sure you have the amount of Ethereum that you need, and make sure that you have the right wallet. So get an EVM, how to participate, get an EVM compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, fund your account with Ethereum, brace yourself for an exhilarating journey, right? Because we're all looking to gain quite a bit from not only this play from the beginning, but maybe the future developments that they do have, which is the unknown. And I've always said that the unknown is what makes things very interesting. So, statistics, Yoshinomics, join us in an exciting journey and become a part of the Yoshi's revolution today. You have IP that's 50%, you have pre-sale that's 50%, and you have a tax that is 0%. You have 20 billion tokens that are available, which is not a crazy amount, right? You're used to seeing Shiba Inu like levels where it's 500 or 600 trillion, or even where they started at, which is 1 quadrillion, right? You look at those levels and you're like, this is way too many tokens, and it's just way too much and way too many zeros to go with. But for here, you're looking at 20 billion tokens, which puts $1 in reach. I don't know where it will start, but it puts $1 in reach. Key points. Decentralized, a secure bridge, a fair allocation. So dive into the world of Yoshi Coin, where decentralization reigns supreme. Embrace the power of community and take control of your financial destiny. Trust in Yoshi Coin's secure bridge, assuring your transactions are safe and sound. Experience fair allocations like never before with Yoshi Coin. Every holder gets their fair share, ensuring level playing field for all. So you also can meet the team here. You have meet Yoshi friends. You have purple Yoshi, you have green Yoshi, red Yoshi, and black Yoshi there. Now we are going to check the Twitter account to show you they are having maybe a little bit of popularity. They're growing quite a bit. Where you see 3,765 followers that are here and a decent amount of input in a lot of the posts. It's not a crazy amount of input. Some get more than others. Where you have 200 likes. Some you have 40 likes, and that shows that this is a true Twitter account to where you have different styles of likes. It's not all the same thing where you're getting 1,000 likes, 1,000 retweets, 1,000 comments. Like those are the ones where that it's not really the real engagement that goes with it. But if you have varying ones, because not everybody's going to like everything and not everything's going to go out to everybody, right? That's where you see realness that's coming from it. Now, again, this pre-sale is the pre-sale starts in 2 days, 17 hours, and 28 minutes. So if you guys want to get prepared with it, you can get prepared. They do have their Telegram here if you want to check that out as well. And anything else you want to go and check out within Yoshi, feel free to go and give them a look. Now, I'm going to give you my opinion on meme coins in general, right? Meme coins are great. And the reason why they're great, I feel as though they bring more people, more attention, more long-term holders to the market. Because what it does is, as you see this pre-sale, let's say it does end up 10xing. You put in $100 as a person that just started in crypto. You wanted to risk a little bit, not a crazy amount. And it turns to $1,000. Well, now you have maybe $500 that you decide to take out, or $300 that you decide to take out. And you can now invest into any other project there. Maybe you see something more long-term or more consistent that you want to invest into. But then you still have some skin in the game with Yoshi just in case it does 20x or 100x. So it gives you that opportunity to gain so much more and to kind of get your journey started. Understand where I came from, and I trusted, Dogecoin, and put my $100 into Dogecoin, and it turned to $800. I was able to then take that and put that into Ethereum and put it into ADA and, be excited about what I did hold. And I also had some Dogecoin left over, and I gained some more money with Dogecoin. The point is that meme coins bring so much more than people think to the space. And I just wanted to let you guys know that. Make sure you take all of what I said with a grain of salt, because anything has risk to it. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about Yoshi down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.